Hi everyone, my name is Laura Campen. I am currently a second grade teacher in Milton, Georgia, and I work in Fulton County at Crabapple Crossing Elementary. Today I'm going to be talking to you about my personal and professional insights, my memorable issue with gifted learners, my most favorite aspect and least favorite aspect of working with gifted learners. In 2016, I graduated in early childhood education from Georgia College and State University. I just finished my second year teaching second grade in a general education classroom. Something to know about me is that I come from a family of teachers. My mom is a retired teacher of 33 years, and my sister is currently teaching 5th grade. So in my classroom, I have a mixture of gifted learners as well as on-level students. And then each week, my gifted learners are actually pulled out for the day to work with a tag teacher, also known as a talented and gifted teacher. So when they're not working with the tag teacher for that one day, I'm making sure to differentiate and really meet the needs of all my students. A memorable issue I have with gifted learners is the motivation to push themselves. In particular, I can think of one student that I had this year who was a very gifted student. However, she lacked the motivation and she really often rushed through her work. She knew that she could easily pick up the materials and easily understand the concepts, but she always didn't always want to really challenge herself to learn more. So I felt like sometimes the quality of her work didn't really demonstrate her capabilities. So I made sure that I worked with her to try to encourage her to be curious so that she could reach her full potential. So my favorite aspect of working with gifted learners is their desire to dig deeper and ask questions. They're super enthusiastic to learn more. They love to be given the opportunity to explore and to investigate the world around them. So it's exciting for me because I get to work with them, and it motivates me as a professional to really further challenge those students and push them to their highest potential. My least favorite aspect of working with some of these students is that many of my students in my school come from high-achieving families. So they strive to do well, not only the parents but also the students strive to do well and are gifted learners, and their parents expect them that they should be identified as gifted or placed into that tag classroom that's pulled out once a week. However, the parents put so much pressure on the children or on their child that they have a hard time feeling like they're really good enough, and they're constantly trying to achieve perfection. So lots of times I'll have morning meetings really to make sure to talk about that it's okay to make mistakes and it's okay to fail.